Hello everyone, welcome to Coffee Chat with BallroomVille, where we chat about everything ballroom dancing. If you haven't done so already, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you know when we upload our next video. Let's dive into this week's questions. What is proam ballroom dancing? Proam ballroom dancing is a very popular category in which a student or an amateur dancer competes with their professional instructor at dance competitions. Can I start proam dancing as a beginner? Absolutely. This is a great way for a beginner dancer to set goals for themselves. And you can actually enter a dance competition in a category anywhere from a newcomer all the way up through advanced. As a beginner dancer, will I be dancing against advanced dancers at a competition? How does it work? This is a great question. So there are actually a lot of different categories that you can enter in whenever you go to your dance competitions. First, you want to narrow down which styles you would like to focus on, whether it's rhythm, smooth, Latin, or the ballroom. And then from there, you want to decide which levels are appropriate for each style, whether it's newcomer, bronze, silver, gold, advanced, or open. And also they have different age categories, so you would be entered in the age category that would be the most appropriate for you. So whenever you go to your dance competition, you would be dancing against other dancers who would be at a similar level in each style. Is there a difference between Dancing with the Stars and a real ballroom dance competition? This is one that I probably get the most. So yes, there are a lot of differences and there are some similarities. So Dancing with the Stars is fantastic for recognition of ballroom dancing and bringing that limelight back to this amazing style that we do. There is more smoke and mirrors, as they say. It's Hollywood, it's entertainment, so they do have a lot more for the camera and to captivate that audience at home to gain those votes. And with Dancing with the Stars, they do have those judges at the table. The score that they get at the judges' table only accounts for half of the score for the couples, and the other half comes from the voters and the viewers at home. That's where some of the differences come in. So at your dance competitions, you will see that there are judges that are placing all of the dancers from the sidelines. The first thing is there would be no audience interaction as far as voting who they'd like to win. The judges are the ones who make the decisions of the placements and who goes into the next rounds. And the next thing is there is a very strict syllabus for each level and what things are allowed to advance in each level. So in Dancing with the Stars, they have a lot more freedom to do tricks and things that are more for show and to captivate the audience vote. And at your competition would be focusing on the level in the category that is most suitable for your dancing at that time. And the other main thing for your dance competitions would be that whenever you go onto the floor, there will be other couples there as well. Now, there is another category called a solo category, or some may know it as a showcase. And in this category, you and your instructor would be the only ones on the floor. You would pick a song and choreograph a piece to that specific number for the judges to then score you and give you feedback. If you're interested in learning more about how you can begin your proam dancing journey, we'd love to hear from you. Our contact information is right down in the description below and also will be right here on the screen. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much everyone for joining me today for Coffee Chat with BallroomVille. If you haven't done so already, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you know when we upload our next video. Until next time.